crack is in the joint, there's a fluid. So when we move the joint through a range of motion that's called the paraphysiological range of motion, there's a vacuum phenomena that's occurring. And in that vacuum phenomena, there's a kind of a popping sound. That's simply what the crack is. The crack doesn't mean anything in terms of chiropractic. We can adjust people and not get any sounds or audible releases. But in this case, with this technique, usually with the motion of the joint that we get, you get a vacuum phenomena and you hear a pop. And that's what the crack is.